When it comes to SUVs, most people chase speed, looks, or flashy gadgets. But for seniors, the real game is peace of mind, comfort, safety, and bulletproof dependability. That's why today, we're counting down the ultimate senior-proof SUVs. Bulletproof reliability, zero stress. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the surprise sitting in our top 5 is a model you probably never expected to see. Let's dive right in. Number 7. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the definition of stress-free driving for seniors who want more space without moving into a bulky, hard-to-maneuver giant. This mid-sized Toyota blends the durability the brand is known for with an interior layout designed to keep things simple and intuitive. Wide door openings and a slightly lower step-in height compared to full-size SUVs make getting in and out surprisingly easy, even for those dealing with mobility concerns. Under the hood, the 3.5-liter V6 is a workhorse, pushing 295 horsepower, yet delivering a calm, quiet ride rather than raw aggression. Pair that with Toyota's excellent 8-speed automatic, and the Highlander just feels predictable in the best possible way. For seniors, predictability means confidence. No sudden jerks, no tricky controls, just smooth progress. Safety is another highlight. Toyota equipped this generation with its Safety Sense suite, adaptive cruise, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking, all working in the background to reduce stress. And thanks to Toyota's reputation, these Highlanders are known to sail past 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Market-wise, a well-kept 2017 to 2020 model runs around $20,000 to $30,000, making it one of the most dependable family-friendly SUVs that seniors can actually enjoy without overthinking the drive. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe is one of the most overlooked gems for seniors who want peace of mind wrapped in a midsize SUV. Redesigned in 2019, it brought sharper styling but more importantly, a package that balances simplicity and tech. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite is standard here, meaning blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, and adaptive cruise are baked in, not locked behind expensive trims. For seniors, that translates to fewer headaches and less decision fatigue when buying. Inside, the Santa Fe feels calm and inviting. The seats are supportive, with available power adjustments and heating, while the ride quality leans toward comfort over sport. Seniors don't need stiff suspension or twitchy handling. They need a smooth cruiser that keeps long drives effortless. The Santa Fe delivers exactly that. Engines include a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter and a turbocharged 2.0-liter, both paired with an 8-speed automatic. Neither screams excitement, but both focus on predictable performance. Combined with Hyundai's strong warranty, 5 years to 60,000 miles basic and 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, owners can drive with confidence that few competitors match. On the used market, 2019 to 2021 models are priced between $18,000 and $28,000, making them a budget-friendly alternative to Toyota and Honda, while still offering modern safety and low-stress ownership. Number 5. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is proof that seniors don't need a massive SUV to feel secure. Compact on the outside but roomy inside, the Sportage strikes a balance between easy maneuverability and everyday practicality. For anyone tired of wrestling a big steering wheel in a crowded parking lot, this SUV feels like a relief. The 2020 redesign gave it a more upscale cabin and intuitive controls. Buttons and dials remain physical, no confusing endless touch menus, which is a win for older drivers. Visibility is strong, and seating position is high enough to give confidence without feeling like you're climbing into a truck. Performance-wise, the standard 2.4-liter four-cylinder is adequate, while the available 2.0-liter turbo adds punch if desired. More important is how the Sportage feels on the road. Light steering, predictable braking, and suspension tuned for comfort. It's designed for stability, not thrills, which is exactly what seniors appreciate. Kia also offers one of the best warranties in the industry, matching Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile coverage. This long-term safety net adds a huge layer of stress-free ownership. Pricing on the used market runs between $17,000 and $27,000, making it one of the most affordable yet secure senior-friendly SUVs on this list. 4. Subaru Forester. The Forester has built its reputation on something seniors value above all else: confidence behind the wheel. With its boxy design and tall windows, visibility is among the best in its class, practically eliminating blind spots. For older drivers who don't want to strain their neck checking lanes, that's priceless. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. Unlike SUVs that treat AWD as an optional upgrade, Subaru bakes it into the DNA. That means whether it's rain, snow, or gravel roads, the Forester stays planted. Pair that with the EyeSight driver assist suite, lane keep, adaptive cruise, and automatic emergency braking, and stress drops dramatically. Inside, the Forester prioritizes ease of use. Wide door openings, upright seating, and a commanding driving position make it incredibly senior-friendly. The 2.5-liter engine, producing 182 horsepower, isn't flashy but pairs smoothly with Subaru's CVT, giving consistent, predictable power. For those who want low effort, it's a perfect match. Used pricing for 2019 to 2022 models hovers between $19,000 and $29,000, offering tremendous value for a safe, reliable, and all-weather SUV. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is practically a blueprint for the senior-friendly SUV. Spacious, comfortable, and endlessly reliable, it nails the balance between ease of use and modern technology. Step inside, and the cabin feels airy with wide visibility and a low floor that makes entry effortless. Under the hood, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine may sound small, but it delivers smooth, efficient performance with up to 190 horsepower. It's paired with a CVT tuned for comfort rather than sport, meaning acceleration feels consistent and stress-free. Seniors won't find sudden jolts or confusing gear changes here, just calm driving. Honda also loaded the CR-V with its Honda Sensing Suite, including lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking, and adaptive cruise control. These systems don't overwhelm. They simply reduce workload during daily drives or longer trips. Reliability is another major advantage. CR-Vs routinely cross 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, and Consumer Reports continues to rank it as one of the most dependable compact SUVs on the market. In today's used market, clean 2018 to 2021 examples typically range from $19,000 to $28,000, making it an unbeatable option for seniors seeking both longevity and simplicity. Number 2. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 is where comfort meets bulletproof dependability, making it a dream SUV for seniors who want luxury without stress. Unlike German rivals that dazzle with tech but drain wallets with repairs, the RX keeps things elegant and simple. Step inside, and the first impression is serenity. Plush leather seating, whisper-quiet cabin, and a ride tuned for smoothness above all else. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 delivering 295 horsepower, the RX 350 feels strong but never harsh. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it glides through city streets and highways effortlessly. For seniors, this means predictable acceleration and zero learning curve. Just set it and go. Safety is another strength. Lexus equipped these models with advanced features like adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Combined with excellent outward visibility, the RX inspires confidence at every turn. The clincher is reliability. Consistently ranked by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs, the RX 350 is built to outlast expectations. Used 2017 to 2020 models sit in the $25,000 to $38,000 range, delivering premium comfort with Toyota's durability DNA baked in. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. At the top of this list sits the Toyota RAV4, the ultimate senior-proof SUV. It's compact enough to handle city parking with ease, yet spacious enough for family trips or hauling groceries. More importantly, it embodies Toyota's reputation for reliability in its most practical form. The 2019 redesign brought sharper looks and a more upright seating position, improving both comfort and visibility. Seniors will appreciate the wide-opening doors and lower step-in height, making entry and exit stress-free. Inside, controls remain straightforward, with physical knobs and buttons where they're needed most. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 203 horsepower and pairs with an 8-speed automatic. While it won't win drag races, it delivers smooth, predictable performance and excellent fuel economy, something older drivers appreciate on long-term budgets. Toyota Safety Sense is standard across all trims: adaptive cruise, lane tracing, and pre-collision braking. These features quietly protect without overwhelming drivers with complexity. And the kicker? The RAV4 holds value like few others, with used 2019 to 2021 models commanding $21,000 to $30,000. Reliable, easy to live with, and virtually stress-free, the RAV4 is the clear champion for seniors looking for a trustworthy daily companion. That's our countdown of the ultimate senior-proof SUVs, built for comfort, safety, and reliability you can actually count on. From compact crossovers to mid-size cruisers, these models prove driving in your later years doesn't have to mean stress or compromise. Which one is your pick? Or which would you recommend to your parents or grandparents? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SUV countdowns coming soon. Thanks for watching.